Good morning, dear children. Welcome to English class. So, now open your superb English grammar book. Today, we will be doing lesson number 14 articles. So, open page number 54. So, children, as we have done articles, we have done exercises also. I have sent you a video also on this topic article. So, please go through the video again. Then we will doing the exercises of this chapter. So, children, how many articles are there? There are 3 articles: a, an, and the. As I have told you, a and an are indefinite articles. Why they are indefinite articles? Because they always point towards indefinite things or person. ठीक है? And why the is definite article? Because it always pointed towards definite person or thing. Okay. So here are some rules written over here. A and an are used before singular countable nouns. Means a and an both are used only with singular nouns. Okay, and that also should be countable. Okay, like yeah, telephone, knife, all these are countable. Book is also countable, which we can count with numbers. Okay, so a and an are used with singular countable noun. We never say books. We never say with plural. We never use a and an. Okay, so and we never say an apples also, because with plurals we never use a and an. With singular countable noun only we use a and an. Now next is where to use a and where to use an. A is always used with consonant sounds. There are 26 alphabets, 26 letters in English alphabet, right? Among this, A, E, I, O, U are vowels. You all know there are 5 vowels in English alphabet and rest of the letters are consonants. So A is used with consonant sound. Okay, A is used with consonant sounds like a yak, a telephone, a knife. All these are consonant sounds. In the beginning you have to hear telephone, knife, na. So all these are consonant sounds and they are indefinite also. So we will use A before them. Now, an. Use of an. An is always used with vowel sound like owl, an artist, an inkpot, an orange, an egg. There are so many examples. So, an is used with vowel sound. Means an is used with the sound of vowels. स्वर जिसे हम स्वर भी कहते हैं. A, E, I, O, U. There are 15 vowel sounds. There are 5 vowels, but sounds, when we count the sounds, there are 15 vowel sounds. So whenever there is a vowel sound in the beginning, then only we will put an before them. We will not say it is A, E, I, O, U. No, we have to hear the sound. Beginning sound is very important. Okay, then only you can differentiate where to use A and where to use an. Right. Next article is the. The is used with definite person or thing, as I have send you the video also where you can see the rules that the is always used with definite person, or when we are talking about some definite person or thing, then only we use the article the. Like this is the book I bought yesterday, means this book is definite which I bought yesterday. I am talking about some definite thing, so I will put the before it. Okay, you can see that the articles a and the are used before noun only. So they are act as adjectives also. We put them before noun only. Okay, the boy in red t-shirt is my brother. Then here also you are pointing towards that boy who is your brother and which is a definite person, right? That boy is your brother. So here also we will put the before it. And some more rules. The is used before special monuments like Eiffel Tower, Qutub Minar, the Taj Mahal, rivers name, the Yamuna, the Ganga, mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Aravallis. Okay, name of books, the Bible, the Quran. Name of trains, the Rajdhani Express, the newspaper, the Times of India. Okay. So all these with these names also, the name of monuments, rivers, mountain ranges, books, trains, and newspaper, we use the before it. And next rule is, whenever we talk about something for the first time, if it is indefinite, we will use a or an. But when we talk about the same thing second time, we will use the, because that time when we are talking about the same thing second time, that time it become definite. Okay, like see here, I saw a dog. Here it is indefinite. But when we talk about the same thing next time, we will use the before it. So if the same noun is repeating in the next statement also, then we will put the before it. First we will put indefinite article, and then the same noun, if it is repeating in the same sentence, in that paragraph or in the same sentence, then we will put the before it. Okay, so we also use the with the unique things, that the things which are only one in number, one of its kinds also we can say, like the sun, the moon, the stars, the sky, with the name of directions, the east. Okay, with all these also we use the. So let's do the exercise. Now here is some tips. Some words start with the consonant but they have a vowel sound, like an, r. Here you can see that H is a consonant, right? But when we speak this word r, and r sound is there, so we will put an before it because vowel sound is there. So you have to see this, like an honest, right? Some words start with a vowel but they have a consonant sound, like a useful thing. See here, u, y, right? So it is consonant sound. A unicorn, a one, v, a university, y. So u is pronounced as u. When u is pronounced as u and o is pronounced as v, we use a before them, not an before them. Okay, is it clear now? So let's do the exercise now.